Hello everyone and welcome to my studio apartment. I decided today that I wanted to do a little tour of my space. It's not completely finished yet, but I decided to do the tour now anyway, and yeah, let's get into it. So welcome to my doorway and my entrance. I've hung my head up here purely because it's got a fire sign here that I wanted to cover up because it was ugly. And then I have a few things hanging on my door, and I have my little intercom system, which is very exciting. I can buzz people into my building. I guess the first thing to the right of the door is the shelf. I got this from the warehouse. It's not great. It's a little bit wobbly, as you can see there. But I have this cool plant from IKEA on here. I have an old jewelry box and some candles and a diffuser. I love this. This is like a vintage cosmetic case, and I keep all my glasses and perfumes in there. And I just have a few boxes full of random stuff. Everyone has junk boxes in their rooms, I feel like. This is my writing desk, and yeah, it's really messy in there, so maybe I won't open it up. But I got this off Trade Me a few years ago for, I think it was only like $180, and it's really cool. I love the antique style. And then I just have some old books. Got this Shakespeare book when I won the English Cup in high school. Hey. Over here I have this kind of like ugly basket. I feel like these wire baskets always look really cool like in the store, and then when you actually fill them with stuff they look really junky, but I kind of just keep a whole bunch of my gym stuff in there. Next we have my couch. It's a lovely black leather couch that was actually my auntie and uncle's, so I was very lucky to have that because couches are so expensive, and I have decorated it in a more Ellen vibe with white fluffy pillows and pink ones. This one's from Warehouse, pink one is from Kmart, gold one is from IKEA. My next thing is this ottoman. I love this ottoman. It was one of the best purchases for this apartment, I think. I can like put my feet on it, I can put little like snacks on it. That probably doesn't sound very hygienic, I just said I put my feet on it and I put snacks on it. But this was only $25 from the Warehouse, and I feel like it ties in the couch really nicely with a lot of my other furniture with the gold and black. Another Warehouse purchase was this fantastic floor lamp and this giant bulb. I absolutely love it, and again it was super cheap because it was from the Warehouse. Over here is like super messy at the moment because I've been doing some freelance social media marketing, and someone sent me all these products to photograph, so this isn't usually here, so we can just kind of ignore that, sorry. I have really big lovely windows and kind of annoying blinds that are a bit cheap, but they do the job. And over here I have my lovely old antique mirror, which you will recognize if you have seen my previous room tours. I've had it for a while. It used to be my nan and granddad's, and I spray painted it gold. I've also got some fairy lights. Let me turn them on. Ta-da! Always love some good fairy lights in my life. And I also have this little plant down here. It's very cute. It is from Kmart, I think it is. Over here we have my little tea trolley, or it's kind of like my dining room table. It's really cool. The sides come up like this, so I can have more space, and the other side comes up as well. And this was my nan's old tea trolley, or my great-grandma. I think it was my great-grandma. And my mum painted the top of it white, which was really cool. And then underneath I just have like a tray with some like books and stuff. I don't know if you can see that, it's not that exciting. On top I have these flowers, but they have to sit on a plate because this really cheap vase from the Warehouse just leaks everywhere, which is kind of annoying, so I need to get a new vase. That is on my list. I also have a lovely Ikoya candle and this cute little vase that I got when I used to work at Smith & Coe's, and it's on this vintage little silver tray. Then I have my laptop just hanging out here, and then one of my other favorite things in this apartment, this chair. It is from Kmart and it is purple. Hey look, it matches my nails. So cute. And it has these cool brass legs, and I absolutely love it. I saw it on Instagram, one of my favorite Instagrammers in New Zealand. Her name is Love Lola. I'll leave a little tag for her Instagram name. And she had this, and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I need. So I went around hunting all of the Kmarts for it. It was such a mission. I had to order it online in the end, and yeah, worth the effort. And then we make our way over to my kitchen, which is another great space that I love, but is a little bit messy because I haven't done my dishes yet. I have like this little batter bowl here, a little cute tin. I kind of have like a pastel and blue theme going on. My kettle is from Kmart, and I have some cute silver straws, some soap, just your usual kitchen things. My cupboards aren't very big. This is kind of like my whole pantry, and it's quite packed. And then I have like my plates and stuff in here, but most of them are in the dishwasher at the moment. And yes, I do have a dishwasher in this tiny apartment, which I didn't know until I opened it after I'd moved in, but it's very exciting. What else? We have this little cookie jar, which is currently empty. I don't have any cookies. And some hot chocolate because I don't drink coffee or tea, and a little candle. Oh, this is quite handy, a little trivet to put all my hot things on. Fun times. Up here I keep all of like my pots and my toaster, and I have a salad spinner up there, and it kind of just throw stuff in the top area. It's a little bit messy. I also have my microwave, and this is my fridge. I accessorized with some Polaroids. They're very cute. There's a whole bunch from my 21st. This is my 21st. This is Connor. He's behind the camera. Shout out to Connor. This is from my birthday last year with my friend Eliza. Here's my mom and dad on my 21st. This is Connor and I when we went on our cruise in Australia. Lots of good memes, and I have just stuck them on there with some washi tape. I think the colourful washi tape was from my auntie and uncle when they went to Japan. And then the gold washi tape is just from Warehouse Stationery. And then, this is a studio apartment, so everything is just in one room. But I do have these kind of like weird glass blinds, which are a bit weird because it's like they're glass, so they don't really divide the room much. Like I can't close these and then get changed. I have to close all the curtains to get changed. So I don't really use them. I only use them if I'm cooking like a curry or something and I'm trying not to stink out my entire apartment. So the first thing in my bedroom area is my little vanity setup. So I have like my makeup and my makeup brushes. I have this little container full of coins. And in this bag I sort of keep all of my everyday makeup. And I have a little container of hair ties and bobby pins. And in here I just have this randomly because I did some shopping from Mecca, as you can see. Then I kind of have my handbags scattered around the floor here. I don't have any sort of better storage for them. So they just kind of live here. Over here I have some cute little photo frames of Connor and I, and like a little candle, and that just lives in this random window I have here. Over here I have my wardrobe. I just have a little scarf and my bag from Bali hanging on the door, and I'm not going to show you inside because it's like super messy at the moment. Here I have my cute little rug from Kmart. This was really cheap and I love the color. As you can tell, there's a lot of pink and purple in this apartment. Oh my gosh, this shouldn't be here. This is my bag for my microphone that I am wearing on my shirt. This is my bed. I only have a single bed, which a lot of people laugh at, but it fits really well into this apartment, and it meant I didn't have to buy a new bed when I moved out of my parents' house. The sheets, or the duvet set, is from Sheridan, and then these two pillows are just from the warehouse, and I have my little snow leopard there. And then we have the bathroom. So if I turn the light on, the bathroom is very small. I just kind of have a toilet and a sink, and I have this mirrored cabinet which is full of lots of beauty products and skincare, and I have my hand soap. I totally got this just because it was pink and rose gold and matched the aesthetics of my apartment. Oh, I should have tidied my towels. They're really messy. This towel rail isn't very big, and it's really hard to fit 2 towels on here when Connor comes and stays, so it just kind of gets real messy. But these are really nice towels. They're from Royal Dalton, and they're organic bamboo. And behind here I have my washer and dryer, which is super handy. I don't have to leave the apartment building to do my washing. And on the other side I have a whole bunch of drawers and storage for cleaning stuff. I'm not going to show you because it's super messy. So that is it for my apartment tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're new, subscribe to our channel. My name is Ellen, and my sister Tara and I make really cool fashion and lifestyle videos. And yeah, Thanks so much for watching. Bye!